Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I'm going to do this quick as I can. This Darren found out in the car. We had gotten the mail on the way out, and Darren picked up horse food, and you know those great big bags full, 50-pound. Are they 50 or 40 now?
50 still.
And this was out in the back of the vehicle. I'm hoping it's what I thought, but I remember seeing a smaller package. But it is. And guess what I ordered yesterday? A replacement wig. Okay, push that on the floor. Let's see what this one is. Could this be my fabric? Oh, could this be it? Could this be it? It is funny how you misplace something, and man, it is. It is. I also rebought this. Oh, that's different than the first time. That's really cute. I like this fabric, and it's different, which is okay because I'm not doing a project, and then this came yesterday. I'm not doing a project that I need them matched. Okay, I bought some small. I wouldn't have ordered small. That's incorrect. Bicycle gloves. I went back and I got more of colors because my bicycle riding Smart Doll is not going to be sharing clothes or shoes because of grit and dirt and stuff that might be on them. So I'm getting her own. And okay, I don't know if that's the right size. That seems small, doesn't it, for a Smart Doll? Maybe cute for a Blythe though, huh? I bought a keychain that I thought was going to be Smart Doll size.
Yeah, it should be like 10 or 12 inches for a
Yeah, it'd be cute for a Blythe Doll though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I got today, and I did find the package I thought I had lost. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. And you know what? My subscribers are getting unsubscribed really badly. My son just told me today he was unsubscribed 3 times this year. God love that man. He has resubscribed. And would you check to make sure you're not only subscribed, but if you have never subscribed before, would you join our group?